Here we have a 2005 Rinker 342 Fiesta Vee, large extended swim platform, nice wide open cockpit, powered by a twin 350 mags with approximately 400 hours, cockpit ice maker, refrigerator, as well as blender, nice companion seating, standard Horizon VHF, Raymarine GPS and radar. Stepping down into the cabin, nice cherry interior, large forward V-berth, galley with electric stovetop, large refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker, and your electrical panel. To the port side, we also have a large head with separate shower. To the starboard side, have a nice U-shaped dinette. And aft, your mid cabin is a very large queen berth. Looking back, please contact for more info. Thank you.